Problem that I saw on this one was the half-life formula was being written and implemented incorrectly. A lot of people were doing T over H, but they were doing it like as a big number right here next to the 1/2, not as an exponent. It is supposed to be an exponent. So the half-life is 1.75. That's going to go in for H. H is going to be 1.75. 80 grams are left outside. So 80 grams is what you're starting with. That's your A amount. How much of it will remain after 16 hours? So the time elapsed is 16 hours. So you're just going to plug all these numbers in here. And remember that it should be, this right here needs to be an exponent. So it's going to end up being the 16, the T over the 1.75. But you have to put it in your calculator as an exponent. And if you're putting this in your calculator, you have to put parentheses around that little fraction, or else your calculator is going to do 1/2 to the 16th. It's going to get that answer, and it's going to divide the whole thing by 1.75. And that's not what the formula says we want it to do. So be careful when you put that in your calculator. The answer is it's less than 0.2. So if you don't get something smaller than 0.2, you did this part wrong. Probably.